Trubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri bapet ya katanat PHE jeng ki sarkar Jylla kathan chatai lammi ngi kilaya kendo lang ha Guwahati ha kalas ngi ublei rengkat bad Myntri ka sarkar pedeng u bapet ya katanat Jal Shakti u Gajendra Singh Shekhawan. Haka ke regional conference Myntri katanat PHE ka sarkar Jylla ba renektan lengdok tongkhar ulalet banya shembentalang Haka ba Myntri ka sarkar pedeng ulakmi benya ya karu kompentri kam ya ka skim Jal Jivan Mission bat Swachh Bharat Mission haki Jylla kathan chatai lammi ngi Nakalyang uba tongkhar ula Pynsngew Biang halor ka jingdon kam ban Kynthup lang ya ki jaka hasor hapok ka Jal Jivan Mission bat ukentu ya ka sarkar pedeng ban yai beteng ban kershan ya ka Jylla ha kanu ka por badon kam khnang bon la ban poi syakathong ban pendep ya ka skim kumbalabu Uba tongkhar ulaya thuru haka jingelang bahus nem arhajar khat khandai kidon tang saw hajar sanspa sanpho tali ki korom bapentri kam haki ying ne functional household tap connection henry menta kidon hado arlak khatlai hajar tali kamigalia kalabu thong ban penpoi umlut shaman laki ying hanong kendong hapo uno pra arhajar arpho ar Nakalyang ushe khawat ula kular ban ai ka jingershan ya ki sarkar Jylla bat omdon kanu ka jinge ya ka sarkar pedeng ban mangpisa ban pentri kambha ya ka ka scheme
Water to each and every house, especially in Meghalaya. We have put the target of December 2022, which it may sound impossible to many people, but we are still working hard on a war footing, and I don't know if we do not achieve 100% or so, we try to achieve the maximum. And I have just discussed with CE in this morning that we will try to reduce the wastage of time in all the process that we are doing. Like for example, in the tendering process, I have just discussed with CE that instead of we calling tender each and every scheme, we will empanel the contractors for JJM. And I hope when we do that, when we empanel every contractor for JJM, we will directly allot work to the capable contractors for executing the work. So we will try to find out ways and means how to minimize the time of execution and also without forgetting the quality of work.